family. Elder lady just dropped off the wood. Now she's going back and get some more. Walking another 3 miles. Man, y'all see it, man. I can't make this up. She just crossed the river, came right back. We here, man. We got fresh tomatoes from Africa.
From the farmer. He just gave us some tomatoes.
Organic, fresh,
From the farm. Organic.
out the farm. Thank you, brother.
Respect my Lord.
Thank you.
Respect my Lord. This is what we used to scare animals.
You hear the...
You know?
Yeah.
If not, they will come and attack the
Oh, I see why. I was wondering why he got the... I thought it was for fun. You see the animals coming, pop.
Yeah, man.
They haul ass.
And then they know that he.
They know he there. What, at nighttime?
No, nighttime, not daytime. I see the elderly woman still doing.
Man, she is walking and walking and walking. So they trying to eat some tobacco, ain't they?
No, they don't eat tobacco.
Oh, they coming out there.
No, they're going to another farm.
Oh, he don't want them to go to another farm. So he about to
See the elderly woman.
Little family, she's walking 3 miles. Believe it or not.
He's bringing them back to the river. If not, they cross this way. They sneak around. They know how to sneak, these animals. So they better keep them this side because this side is almost done. But they are not done yet.
So these animals still hungry.
Yeah, still hungry. No food, no. The place is dry. It's not green. No place to graze. Sinyaman. Where to live Yakamaha? Yakra to Wana.
You believe? Ladies, you.
All right, no boy Yakama. Okay, give thanks.
Respect my Lord.
Respect, bro.
Respect.
Thank you.
Good luck, eh?
The other lady didn't even come this way. She went down to the bottom.
You know, she's old. So she cannot carry that weight on this. You know? So she better go all the way down.
Peace out, fam.